Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about my pet rabbit. Number 1. I have a rabbit as a pet. Number 2. Her name is Lumi. Number 3. She loves to hop around. Number 4. I feed her fresh vegetables. Number 5. Her favorite treat is carrots. Number 6. I clean her cage regularly. Number 7. Her eyes are big and bright. Number 8. She loves to play with toys. Number 9. Lumi is a friendly rabbit. Number 10. I cherish the moments I spent with my rabbit. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.